Hey everybody, welcome to CHINFAT. I just want to talk a little bit about what my channel is all about. It's mostly covering film and video production. I have a ton of tutorials that go over the pre-production process, including things like scheduling, script breakdown, shot listing, things like that, and screenwriting as well. I also cover quite a bit of production topics, including things like cameras, lighting, new things that are coming out. I try to demonstrate a bunch of different lighting techniques and things like that, but I also have a heavy emphasis on post-production. Things like editing, sound mixing, color grading, things of those nature. I cover a whole bunch of different type of apps as well. I'll go over mostly Premiere Pro, showing how to do editing, how to do multicam editing, dialogue, action editing, a whole bunch of different things. And I also cover apps like Audition, showing how to do audio sound mixing, and also color grading with DaVinci Resolve. I do have other things on my channel, such as my GoPro Chef series, but I cover some of my favorite recipes, how to bake some breads, and how to do some dishes like lasagna, etc. And don't forget to check out my climbing playlist as well. If you like rock climbing, I like rock climbing, so I videotape a lot of those adventures and post them under my climbing playlist. In my most recent efforts, I am doing a brand new Premiere Pro 2024 playlist that will comprehensively show the software and all of its features. All right, guys, well, thank you for watching CHINFAT. Be sure to subscribe. And I would also recommend maybe getting a date over the weekend and sitting down for 4 or 5 hours and binging my CHINFAT tutorial videos. Nothing will forge stronger relationships than CHINFAT. So thank you for watching CHINFAT.